Okay guys, so many years ago, I did this trick right here. Manual, 360 flip, back into manual. This is from one of my old video parts. Actually, the very first video I ever uploaded to YouTube. If you wanna see what I consider to be probably my best video part ever, go to the very first video on this channel. Actually, the video that started this entire channel and everything we've had from here forward started from this.
When there's nothing left to burn, you have to set yourself on fire.
And one of the tricks in there is this one. Manual, 360 flip manual. So I thought, you know what? It's raining outside. Let's go, let's jump on the Skate 3 and let's see if I can do a recreation of this line, of this trick. I did do a nollie flip afterwards. I guess I should practice my nollie flips. There we go. That was way higher than the one I did. First things first, I kind of need to figure out a place that I'm gonna do it. And hopefully it looks somewhat similar to the real life place, but I don't know. I don't know the Skate 3 levels that well. So I guess I'm just gonna push up this giant hill, which has probably gotta be a faster way to do this, right? Right? And why does it, my controller batteries are low? I just charged it. Okay, for anyone who knows Xbox, I just charge it, right? I don't need to change the batteries in there. Double A's, right? Right? Let's get to a place where it actually looks like the actual spot, or somewhat, even if it's like somewhat close. The spot where I did this in San Francisco is perfect because it has a little bit of a downgrade. Not too steep, it's not like a really steep place, but just enough to where if you're in a solid manual, no pushing required, no pushing needed, you'll just ride the manual out. The professional Skate 3 players are like, Aaron, what are you doing? I'm probably doing this the hardest possible way. Actually, this on the side right here looks somewhat close. The other thing about the mani pad is it's pretty skinny. Honestly, that might be very workable just right there. Like right here. Is that kind of similar? And then manual, and then, oh yeah, okay, I like it. We're gonna go back to the top and we're gonna spot marker this. Okay, let's do mani, tray flip mani. Okay, somehow I get into a 5-0 just fine. That's not what I'm trying to do. I want to get in manual. What? Okay, that was sick. It's like a varial heel flip blunt. It's also like, got a little bit of a grass run up. Dang it. I do not want to do the world's longest 5-0, although that might be another really good challenge. Heel flip. Whoa, that was sick. Okay, hold on. Heel flip, 5-0. Heel flip, back 5-0, front shove out in the middle. That was sick. Okay, mani, tray flip mani. I guess I better practice my tray flip. Is this even possible? Okay, mani. Yeah, it's possible. The interesting thing how I really wanted to do this series is I wanted to get the raw footage and I wanted to see if I could do the trick in Skate 3 faster than I did it in real life. And I'm pretty sure I can, even with, as you can see just from seeing me just now. How about I suck at Skate 3? But guess what? We're gonna land this, I think anyways. Stop getting into 5-0. Every try heel flip back 5-0. Just give me a manual, thank you. Okay, I don't know what that was, but I would put it in my video part for sure. Okay, I might need to go to a bigger mani pad. Oh. I did a pop shove at revert and landed right on a pedestrian. Okay. Sick mani. Sick mani, hold it. Oh, you're right, I have been practicing. Let's run this, we got this. Wow, that was sick. Okay, completely not what I was trying at all, but let's run it back. Kickflip blunt, front side 270 kickflip out. That is what I'm talking about. Dang it, like, is this possible to do at all? Just manual, manual. What the heck just happened? Why is there like an old lady's face like popped through my screen? That scared the living. Okay, Varial flip manual? I might need to just practice holding my manuals here. Are you kidding me? I didn't realize that. It's a good thing I did that because I thought there was an end to this manual pad. Maybe I'm not gonna be able to do it here. Who's up for an instant replay? Okay, looking solid on the mani, holding it. You guys gotta admit, I'm holding that manual pretty nicely. Is it possible to hold a manual and do a tray flip without the manual dropping? Straight into this. Based on what just occurred there, I do think it's possible. That's one I never have ever done. Manual heel flip manual. Have you ever even seen a manual heel flip manual? Okay, I run it back, that was sick. Blunt, 180, back lip, out. Let's go. This might take me a lot longer than I thought it was going to. Manual, tray flip. I know what I need to do. I need to apply my actual real life skateboarding skills to this. Okay, so manual. Back to manual. I bet Zexy Zek have this first try. Manual. Tray flip. Okay, was that better than the trick actually? Actually was it? Let's look. Ollie manual, looking pretty nice. And then we did a tray flip to blunt stall. Well, blunt slide, ollie out. I'm pretty impressed with myself, I'm not gonna lie to you. It like automatically wants me to grind. There's some domestic violence back there. Okay. Oh, no way. I have to watch that again. This is the kind of thing that you dream about doing in real life. Okay, manual. Sick hard flip back into manual. And then I let it go and didn't land it. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, that is going in the video part, 100%. Manual, 360 pop shove it, blunt stall, kickflip out. That was sick. Okay, why is everything a 360 pop shove it? Please, please no. There we go. There we go. Okay, hold on. Trick guide, 360 flip. Left, down, and then sort of diagonal. Start it like a 360 pop shove it, but finish it with a kick flip. Also known as a 360 kickflip, 3-flip, or tray flip. You know what's really good to learn the skateboard tricks I just realized? Skateboarding video games. How many of you, leave it in the comments below, learned all of your tricks from Tony Hawk Pro Skater 1, 2, or Skate 3? And also, should I try a different video game? Like, is there a game that like has actual levels that you play through? It's just like real life, I have to do like a bunch in a row to get my muscle memory down. No! Okay, that's it. Manny, tray flip, Manny, coming up hot. Oh, that was probably the closest I've been. Okay, let's go. Manual. You know, it's one trick I really have never been good at. It's blunt slides. When I pop on the tray flip, it's sending me off to the side, and then it just wants to go into that grind. Maybe what I should do is find a place that doesn't look like the actual spot where I did it and do it there, and then come back and do it on this. Look, a really nice wide manual pad maybe? I mean, if I probably do it anywhere at this point, I'm pretty happy. Ooh, this kind of looks like it though. Okay, let's get it. Just a nice little manual. Dude. Okay, landing back into the manuals proving to be more difficult than I thought. Why won't he land in the manual again? Thank you. That's exactly what would have happened in real life too.
Yo, dude, what the heck you doing out there? I'm back here in this office busting my butt trying to get these boards out the door.
Oh, nailed it!
Get on it.
Nailed it. 100% nailed it. Pop up, manual. Tray flip, manual. Yes, I love that. I'm soaked on that. Now I need to figure out how to change the camera angle. Okay, video part clip, let's go. Boom. Give it a push, push, manual, tray flip, manual, bum. So good. Okay, I'm stoked. I'm glad that I finally landed that. I don't care that it did not look like the place where I did it, although I probably should be so committed that I do it at a place like where I did it, but it doesn't matter. I'm stoked that I landed it at all. Manny, tray flip Manny, let's go. This is from my video part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.